A location you create in your Shopify admin is any physical space where you keep inventory. This can be a warehouse or even your home office. Let's take a look at some key features you can use to fulfill your orders. You can easily set up and remove retail and fulfillment locations. This allows you to track inventory and manage operations across multiple physical stores or third-party fulfillment services. You can add new locations, provide unique names and addresses, and specify whether they're able to fulfill online orders. Shopify also allows you to manage apps and custom fulfillment locations. This means you can integrate third-party apps or create custom fulfillment options to handle your order volume, which allows you to tailor your fulfillment process to your unique business needs. Another key aspect of managing your retail and fulfillment operations is assigning inventory to specific locations. You can allocate inventory to different locations using the Inventory Bulk Editor tool, uploading a CSV, or editing the details on the product page itself. You can also set the priority of your locations. This means you're in control of where your orders ship from first. You can have the San Francisco location set to fulfill orders first, and if that location is out of stock, then the next location in Los Angeles can fulfill it instead. This also ensures that orders are fulfilled from the best location based on factors like proximity to the customer or stock availability. Now you're ready to set up your locations and fulfill orders from anywhere you want to sell.